Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. The common phrase of the day today is kind of a weird one, but it's cool. It'll make sense. A man of letters. So, what does a man of letters mean? You could also say a woman of letters. The phrase a man of letters refers to a man or a person who is very knowledgeable about literature, reading, and writing. Someone who is well educated and interested in books and learning. It's an old-fashioned or formal way of saying that someone is scholarly, especially in the field of literature or the arts. Think of it this way. A man of letters is surrounded by letters, as in books, words, and writing. So here are some sample sentences you guys can practice with this term. My grandfather was a true man of letters, always reading poetry and writing essays. The person was respected as a man of letters throughout the academic world. Although quiet and humble, he was a man of letters with a deep love for classic novels. So see if you hear this term. It's an old one. It's a little quirky, but you still hear it sometimes. So open up your ears and kind of pay attention if you hear this common phrase, man of letters. Like and subscribe. We love having your company, and we will talk to you later. Bye now.